Hey guys, Jim949 here, and today I'm going to start a Forge modding tutorial series where I'll teach you guys how to code and mod with Forge. Yeah, alright. Firstly, before we could start coding and modding with Minecraft and Minecraft Forge, we have to install a few things. We have to prep up our computer, and we have to do some stuff. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, I want to get the hard part out of the way and then move straight to the easy part, because that's how I do things. So let's start with that. Alright, so firstly, open up your browser, and the first thing that we're going to install is something called Java JDK. So just go ahead and search that up with Google. Java JDK. And it should be the first one. It should say Java SE downloads. Cool. And with that, you can go to the Java Platform JDK 7U25. Go ahead and click that. And okay. And then where it says Java SE Development Kit 7U25, all that, you just want to click accept. And then, oh my god, hold up. Alright, sorry about that. I got a stupid email on my Kindle. Okay, so once you've accepted the whole Oracle binary code thing license, blah blah blah, whatever that was, once you accepted that, you want to go all the way to where it says Windows x86 and Windows x64. And basically, the x86 is the 32-bit and the x64 is the 64-bit. Now, if you don't know what your operating system is, just go to Start, right-click on Computer, Properties, and it should say it right here. So I'm on 64-bit, so I'm going to download the 64-bit. Now, I already have JDK downloaded and installed. It's simple. Once you download it, just double-click the exe and just go through the installation, let it install stuff, and you should be good to go. It's just like installing Java. It's just a different Java. It's Java Development Kit. So once you downloaded that and installed it, if we go to our start button, and in the search bar, if you type in CMD, press enter, it'll launch up our command protocol. And if we type in Java C, it says that the Java C is now recognized as an internal or external command. So you may be asking, but Jim, I just installed JDK. Why isn't it not working? I'll tell you. Because we installed JDK, our computer doesn't know we installed it. So basically, it's treating it as just like any other program. It's treating it as like it's just a stupid folder that doesn't know how to operate on a computer. That's how it's treating it. So to fix that, what we need to do is we need to go into Windows System and change something called the path. Now this part you can easily screw up. Seriously. So I strongly recommend you watching this in full screen and watching it in the highest definition, 720 or 1080, whatever. But please listen carefully and follow along so you don't mess up. Because if you mess up here, you're screwed. Okay. And plus, oh, and another thing, if your computer happens to break while doing this, I take no responsibility in that. It's your fault, not mine. Okay? Alright, so now what we want to do is we want to go to Start, Computer, C Drive. We want to go to Program Files. We want to go to Java, JDK, Bin. Okay, and here, this is where we're going to, this is the directory up here in our address bar. This is the directory of what we're going to add to our path. So we want to simply just click here, and then it will highlight the directory. Right click, copy. Simple as that. We don't need that anymore. And now what we want to do is we want to go to Start, control panel. I want to go to System, and we want to go to Advanced System Settings, and we want to click Environment Variables, and then we want to scroll down till you find Path, and you want to click Edit. Now, once you get here, don't touch anything. Don't hit the backspace, don't hit any keyboard stuff, don't do anything, okay? Using your mouse, click anywhere in the highlighted part, and then use your arrow keys to get all the way to the end. Once you're at the end, you want to press a semicolon, which is right next to the L, semicolon, and we're going to paste our directory of our JDK. So go ahead and paste that. Once you're done, click OK, 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 and exit that out. Okay, and now we're done with JDK. If we go back into our command prompt, type in Java C, voila. So now Windows has recognized that we've installed JDK, and it knows that we've installed it. So now we can use it with compiling and command prompting and whatever. Okay, that was the hard part. Now it's the easy part, thankfully. We need to install two more things. We need to install Eclipse. Eclipse is a Java text editor that everyone uses it. I know there's thousands of text editors out there, but this is the best. I use it for everything, even web development. So, alright, so what we want to do is we want to go to Eclipse. Should be eclipse.org. Go ahead and click that and go to Downloads, and it should now if it doesn't, it should automatically detect what kind of OS system you're on. So I'm on a Windows, so it'll immediately go to Windows, but if it like errors out and it doesn't go to the one you are on, so say if you're on a Linux or Mac OS, just switch it to that. Alright, then here we want to basically install our system type. So I'm on 64-bit, so I just download the 64-bit. If you're on a 32-bit, you go to the 32-bit. So once you download that, it's gonna download you a zip file. Now with that zip file, all you gotta do is just right click, extract it, and then once you extract it, I can find the folder. Not it. Oh wait. Okay, here we go. So let's do Eclipse. Okay. Once you extracted the once you extracted the folder, you're gonna get something with this. Okay? It's gonna create a new folder called Eclipse, and inside that folder you're gonna have something like this. Basically just find eclipse.exe, eclipse.exe, right click, send to desktop. That'll create a shortcut on your desktop, or what you can do, you can easily just drag it to the taskbar at the bottom and it will immediately create a shortcut there, and boom, you'll have it here. So once you've done that, you're pretty much almost good to go. Now we just gotta install Minecraft Forge and we'll be ready to code. So yeah. Okay, so now that we've installed Eclipse and JDK, we can finally install Minecraft Forge source. Now, when you're doing modding, regular modding, without ModLoader or Forge, what you would do is you would go to the Minecraft Coder Pack website, and you would download that, then extract it, and then do like some kind of move jars there, and then bin resources and whatnot. With Forge, it will automatically install the Minecraft Coder Pack folder for you, so you don't have to do anything except wait. So what we want to do is we want to go to minecraftforge.net, which is the first one. It will take a while to load because there's a lot of traffic going through, so yeah. Alright, once you get here, you want to click Files at the top, and then it'll direct you to here. Well, you want to find, and what we want to do is we want to find the latest version. So at the top where it says latest 1.6.2, you want to download the source src. You want to download that. So go ahead and download that. I'll wait for AdFly. And come on, any day now. There we go. Oh good God. Okay. Just close that out. Okay, skip ad. Alright, I'm gonna save this to our desktop. And with this, it's done downloading, okay? And this, we're gonna put it in another folder, so create a new folder. And this is gonna be our main modding folder. So I'm just gonna call it Forge Modding Tutorial. Alright, so I'm just gonna move that right in there. Alright, now just want to simply right click, extract here. Voila. So we're gonna get a folder called Forge, and this is where we're gonna get our MCP folder from. So simply just click the install CMD. If you're on a Mac or any other OS, then just use the SH. But if you're on a Windows, just double click the install at CMD, and it should start. It should start installing everything. It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna say that, so I'm gonna pause it here and wait until it's done. Okay. So yeah, be right back then. Okay, finally it's finished. Took a lot longer than expected. So now we have our MCP folder, and this is where we're gonna start coding and doing all that stuff. So what we want to do is we want to simply copy it, just put it here. I'm gonna wait for that to load. Alright, once it's finished copying, which is gonna take another while. Come on. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. What? Wow. Okay, sure. Okay. Sure. Okay. Once it's done that, we want to simply rename it to our mod name. It's going to be tutorial. And that's it. Now we have MCP. Now we are ready to start coding and Forge modding with everything and stuff. So yeah, that pretty much sums up our first episode of our Forge modding tutorial series. So we're finished prepping up our computer. We installed JDK, we have Eclipse, we have Minecraft Forge source. Okay, so that's it guys. Next time I'll show you how to set up our first main class files, and then the one after that we're gonna start coding with blocks. We're gonna start adding blocks and items and all that. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, favorite, subscribe. If you didn't like shit about this video, you don't have to do shit. Simple as that. And I'll see you next time. Bye.